If you follow my channel for a while, you know that I've had an interesting journey with Rubbit. I started out pretty skeptical, but I bought their e-foam sprayer and soap with my own money, link to that video up here, and eventually I tried many of their other products and found that they really do work very well. I started down this journey trying to find a solution for my current situation. It's a 29-degree January day in Ohio. My pressure washer is hibernating for the winter because of the freezing temperatures in my garage, but because I also can't stand the road salt and grime on my paint, I need a winter washing solution. Rubbit reached out and said they have something brand new that's designed for exactly this scenario, among others, and they sent me a can of their new car wash in a can to test out. And as of this video, they are running a Kickstarter special, $35 for 2 cans of the spray and 6 of their microfiber towels. The biggest selling point here is accessibility. No water hookup, no hose, no mixing, really just no setup at all. You can get a quick showroom shine in about 15 minutes inside your garage where it's warmer, or at different times of the year outside if you don't have a water supply, or just want a quick simple wash or detail. You mist it on, let it sit briefly to allow the surfactants to work, a light wipe off with a microfiber towel, followed by some buffing. It's pH neutral, so it's completely safe for ceramic coatings and PPF. Now I know the detailing nerds in the comments are already typing, why not use a concentrate like ONR or McKee's N914 in a spray bottle for pennies? I've used McKee's N914 for years. I've got a bottle of it right here. It's a great product, but there are physical differences when you're actually working with these products on a car. When you spray the liquid from a standard trigger bottle onto a vertical panel, it beads and can start to run down the car. But because Rubbit is a pressurized aerosol, the mist is finer and it actually clings to the surface and forms a foam. That extra dwell time is huge to allow the surfactants to break down the road salt or bird droppings without needing to scrub. You get a uniform layer of lubrication across the entire panel with one pass, and it's a more controlled premium way to apply waterless wash. I also want to mention the value play I've noticed looking at the Rubbit website. Rubbit sells a 6-pack of their microfiber towels for about $30. I have a bunch of them. They are really nice towels and I get a lot of use out of them, both for washing my car as well as for having in the trunks for detailing on the go. But for this launch phase, they have a bundle where you get 2 cans of the wash and 6 towels for $35. And when you do the math, you're basically getting the towels you already need and the cans of cleaner are costing you $2.50 each. For the honest take, if your car is caked in mud, fresh from an off-road trail, you really probably still need a hose. They say you'll get about 2 to 3 full exterior washes out of 1 can, but where this really shines, no pun intended, is the maintenance wash. Getting the dust off, cleaning the bug splatter, or doing a quick winter wipe down. This is the most convenient tool that I've found, even more so than the Rubbit sprayer that I have been using. They're launching this on Kickstarter, trying to build out a full production line right here in the US and manufacture this domestically, which is always great for future quality and shipping. I'll put a link to the Kickstarter page in the description below, and also I will include a coupon code that you can use for discounts on products on their website. If you're tired of the winter grime but can't use a hose, Rubbit's car wash in a can is definitely worth a look.